Today we're going to be looking at quartz crystals under a microscope. So I have this sample which has some crystals, although relatively small. We can still obviously look at them under a microscope. Now for comparison, I've got just a standard piece of smoky quartz. These are both smoky quartz. So let's look at them under a microscope. My prediction is that this will be a lot cleaner and the edges will be more prominent, and there'll be like straight edges, as you can see in that reflection when I move it. That's a crystal there, compared to this, which will be, I believe, a lot more jaggedy. So let's look at it. Sorry if my dog barks, but as you can see, this is the edge of a crystal, and as you can see, it is quite flat and smooth. Now this is on 60 times magnification. Let's go to 120. Here you can see the edges are even more prominent with that straight line. Alright, let's go look at the standard sample. This is the standard sample at 60. And as you can see, it's much less flat and doesn't have any real edges. Let's go to 120. While you might not be able to see it on camera, I do have depth perception on this and can see that this is not a flat plane that we're looking at. However, when we zoom in, we can still see that there's no real edges. Alright, there's our crystal again. And as you can see, there's actually smaller ones in here. If we can get it to focus, of course. So you can see the fracture line here. There's more in the bottom, however, that is quite dirty. Thank you for watching. Have a good day. Bye-bye.